Meanwhile, the ISSA Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships continues to aid in the development of athletes from across the Caribbean and elsewhere in the world, with foreign athletes turning in good performances for various high schools. Damon Dunkley caught up with some of the athletes and the president of the North American, Central American and Caribbean Athletics Association, NACAC.
From the African continent to the Caribbean, athletes are showing that they belong at the ISSA Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, which is long recognized as the best high school track and field championship globally. Edwin Allen's Carol Etienne, a sprinter from Dominica who placed fourth in the Class 2 Girls 100-meter final, is among the foreign imports. Etienne explained what drove her to Jamaica.
Well, number one, I've always liked Edwin Allen, and Jamaica has a good track program, and I'd love to get more into that track program to better myself in track and field.
Homewood Technical's Florence Lafamba from Uganda, who secured silver in the Class 1 Girls 800 meters final, is one of the several Africans participating at Champs.
Well, I'm glad that I made the 1500 finals, but I didn't perform at my best. But I'm hoping to do better in 800 and grab a medal.
Meanwhile, Kenyan Brian Kiprop and Julius Itubo, who represent Kingston College, lit up the track at the National Stadium. Itubo shaved 7 seconds off the Class 3 Boys 1500-meter record, while Kiprop secured gold in the Class 1 equivalent. And there's also St. Lucian Denzel Phillips of Jamaica College, who has done well in the throws.
Well, my first year in Class 2 was kind of challenging for me, going in as a favorite, but not executing properly. But coming into the discus final, I kind of got a grasp of the atmosphere and realized that I had to lock in, and then I kind of did better in that.
President of NACAC, Mike Sands, says the athletes should make good of the opportunity of training and competing in Jamaica.
It's the development of the sport. It's an opportunity that they take advantage of, and it's no different than our athletes that go to the United States, to university, where there's opportunity for them to improve their educational background and to also improve their athletic background. And so it's on the same level. And so Jamaica is to be commended for welcoming the athletes from the other neighboring islands to be able to take advantage of what Jamaica has to offer.
Damon Dunkley, TVJ Sports.